In this video, I will show you how to change screen resolution on Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to do this, all you need to do from your desktop is come down to your taskbar at the bottom, right click onto the Windows Start icon, and on this menu that comes up, you want to click onto Settings. Now once your settings has opened up, what you need to do now is come over to the menu on the left hand side, click onto System, and on the System window you want to click onto Display at the top. Once you've done that, come down to the Scale and Layout section just down here, and this way you can come to change the display resolution and the scale of your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So next to display resolution, you're going to see a drop down box, give it a click and you can see all the different available resolutions. I would of course recommend going with the one that says recommended, as this is going to be the best display for your screen. But of course you can use any of these if you want to, just give it a click, and what it's going to do is give you the option to keep changes, or if you're unhappy you have got the option to click revert, which is going to change back to the original display settings. So that's how to change the screen resolution on Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.